There are over 1 billion cameras worldwide, yet 90% of incidents go unnoticed. Your cameras are watching, but are they understanding? SoftServe Video Intelligence transforms endless footage into proactive intelligence. Spot problems as they happen. Fix issues before they slow you down. Review what went wrong quickly and clearly. Ask it, see it, solve it. It's simple. Ask, did anyone enter through the emergency exit last night? Get the clip and the context. Chat naturally with live or recorded feeds. Get alerts the moment something needs attention. See it all on one unified dashboard. Whatever your industry, retail, manufacturing, energy, smart spaces, your cameras hold the answers. Now you can act on them, from what happened to here's what's happening and what to do next.